Article 121 of the Constitution places restrictions on discussion on the conduct of a judge in discharge of his duties except upon a motion praying for removal of the judge. Your notice is in transgression of the rules. आप उस रूलिंग को नहीं पढ़ेंगे, आप तो क्या पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में मेरा दिमाग अभी चल रहा है. Honorable members, I have received 6 notices under Rule 267. Except one, on all others, I have already given my ruling. The one on which my ruling has not come so far is a notice emanating from Shrimati Renuka Chaudhary demanding discussion on alleged derogatory and divisive statements made by a sitting judge of the Allahabad High Court. Honorable members, Article 121 of the Constitution places restrictions on discussion on the conduct of a judge in discharge of his duties except upon a motion praying for removal of the judge. 1 second. And when it is not on duty, I am referring to another rule, a rule made by this House. When we talk of rules, I would greatly appreciate honorable members to reflect. Let us not jump to conclusions. The rule is very categorical. Let me read Rule 238. And the rule is formulated by us. And the rule says, rules to be observed while speaking. Reflect upon a member while speaking shall not. This is a rule formed by us. Subclause 5 shall not reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in proper form. Explanation says the words persons in high authority means persons whose conduct can only be discussed on a substantive motion in proper terms under the Constitution, or such other persons whose conduct, in the opinion of the chairman, my opinion also counts. Sir, I'm dealing with the matter. Therefore, Renuka ji, this can be discussed only on a substantive motion. With your long experience and clarity of the rule, you must now be convinced that your notice is in transgression of the rules. So, honorable members,
Sir, it is, sir, with due regard, the observation of the
nothing is going on record. Nothing.
by the judge was wholly unwarranted.
Randeep Surjewala, nothing is going on record. What is this?
This is a classical
Sir,
trampling upon Constitution.
what I have, 1 second. Honorable members, 1 second. Would you please take your seat? Randeep, don't force me. Don't force me.
I'm only saying.
Don't force me. No. I am in the midst of taking a view.
Persuade you, not force you.
I know. Please think. I am a thinking mind, at least in a moderate sense.
That is why I'm trying
I know.
to persuade you that
No.
constitution is being trampled upon.
I do not.
When I go by,
I will express myself. Once again, honorable members, I will express myself at appropriate time. Wait for that occasion. But right now, can there be a more transgression of a rule? I'm in the process of deciding Rule 267. The matter relates to what Renuka Chaudhary ji has said. A member is not prepared to read the rule. And my ruling, to which a reference has been made, is a very exhaustive ruling. The point of order was raised by leader of the opposition. When the then leader of the House, Shri Piyush Goyal, made an issue with the observations made by a member of Lok Sabha while he was not in the country. Kharge ji had taken exception to that. I had decided that ruling. And kindly go through it. I'm sure you have not gone through it. If you had gone through it, you would have understood.
Speaker, give that ruling there, not here.
सर, उस माननीय सदस्य एक से वुड यू लिसन टू मी दिग्विजय जी? माननीय सदस्यगण, जो नियम आपने बनाए हैं उन नियमों में स्पष्ट प्रावधान है कि यदि अगर इस सदन में उस सदन के सदस्य की चर्चा की जाती है तो कैसे की जाएगी? तो रूल साफ कहता है कि चर्चा हो सकती है। आप उस रूलिंग को नहीं पढ़ेंगे। आप तो क्या पढ़ेंगे, इसके बारे में मेरा दिमाग अभी चल रहा है। किसान का दिमाग विपरीत परिस्थितियों में चलता है। किसान अपनों से भी संकट झेलता है, किसान अपनों से भी संकट झेलता है और ईश्वर से भी झेलता है। आप क्यों खड़े हो गए? अरे वाई रणदीप सुरजेवाला नहीं, वाई रणदीप सुरजेवाला has got a नहीं, oh my God, ये तो गिल्ट कॉन्शियस। Honorable members, I am not, what, take your seat, I am not allowing,
किसानों की जमीन
the notices are declined.